We are now going to be looking at our fringe benefits of the 7th schedule and what happens when an asset is acquired at less than the actual value. So just to remind you, what is the rule here? If the employer buys for the employee, the asset specifically, then we use the cost to the employer. If not bought specifically for the employee, we use the market value. And if it's trading stock, we use the lower of cost or market value. Okay, so those are our rules. So let's go for it. So example 1, Mr. A works for X Limited and he has worked for the last 18 years. So I want you to see here, he qualifies because he's worked at least 15 years for the long service award exclusion if they give it to him. And they gave him the following assets in the year. Asset 1. X Limited purchased a desk at a cost of $20,000 to give to Mr. A to help him equip a home office. X Limited obtained the desk at a discount that is not available to the general public, and the market value of the desk was 22,000 rands. So they bought it specifically to give to him, so we used the cost, so the 20,000 rands. They would be able to claim the input VAT on it because they are going to give it to the employee, so it's used in the furtherance of the enterprise. Asset 2, X Limited produces beer. In terms of an employment policy, it provides employees with a case of beer each month. So this is trading stock. The total cost of the beers is $2,500 and the market value is $4,500. So we use the lower of the two, 2.5. Asset 3, X Limited gave Mr. A an old computer. The computer had a cost of 10,000 rands and a market value was 2,000 rands. So this was an asset not specifically purchased for Mr. X or for Mr. A. So we use the market value. Asset 4, in November, Mr. A celebrated his 18th year of employment and they purchased a gold watch at a cost of 15,000 rands to give to him. Right, so they went out to buy it for him, so we use the cost, 15,000. The long service award, we get the lower of 5,000 or the actual cost. So our fringe benefit, 10,000 rands. Okay, perfect.